If you're an organization administrator in your organization, there are some high-level system reports that you can run. To access those reports, you'd go to the Administration tab, and then you would click the Reports System Management link. Here you'll find there's 6 different reports that we currently offer. The top 3 reports are all financial reports, and the bottom 3 reports are student information and course completion registration information. You'll also notice in each report when you run them, you're going to establish a begin date and an end date for the time period in which you want to run the report. And there are 2 different export types. There's a web page report, which allows you to open the most common columns in that report in a tab in your web browser. Or you can export to CSV, where you could get all the columns that exist within that report. You could open that in Excel, and you can manipulate it and sort it any way that you wish. The top 3 reports that you see, Account, E-commerce, and Account Balance Report, are all 3 financial reports. The Account Balance Report will show you all of your inbound and outbound financial transactions. The E-commerce report details all of the transactions that come from credit card purchases. And the Account Balance Report shows you all of your transactions that came from your account balance. So if your students are not paying with a credit card, they're going to be registering using your account balance, and those transactions would be detailed here. The Student Registration and Completion Report really report the same data, but they report on 2 separate columns. The Student Registration Report would show you all registration activities based on the registration date, whereas the Student Completion Report will report on the Student Completion Date column. So if you were looking for registrations during a certain date period, you would use the Registration Report. If you were looking for certain completions during a date period, you would use the Completion Report. The final report is really used more for marketing. Users who haven't registered for a course will show you every user in your organization that has created an ID, but they've never actually registered for a course. So you could run that report. It would give you all the student information, and there you could use that to go direct market to those students to say, we noticed you created an account, but you never actually registered for a course. And so you could perhaps ask if they had trouble, or maybe entice them with a coupon or something to that effect.